Welcome to the sun-kissed Greek islands, known for their turquoise waters, quaint architecture, and not to mention, culinary delights. Just imagine sitting in a traditional taverna by the sea, biting into a succulent piece of grilled lamb, marinated in a medley of fresh herbs, garlic, and extra virgin olive oil, with a side of tangy tzatziki and warm, fluffy pita bread. This is only a glimpse of what the Greek islands' cuisine has to offer. The heart of the Mediterranean diet, Greek food is an enticing blend of fresh vegetables, olive oil, grains, and seafood. This culinary tradition, steeped in history and diversity, is a testament to the Greeks' respect for quality and flavor. Our journey today takes us from the idyllic charm of traditional island tavernas, where recipes passed down through generations still reign supreme, to the innovative kitchens of modern Greek restaurants. Chefs are redefining gastronomy. We'll explore the diverse regional cuisines, each with its unique character and taste, and the undeniable allure of Greek island street food. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a culinary journey through the Greek, where every dish tells a story. When you step into a traditional Greek taverna, you step into a world of rustic charm, authentic dishes, and lively music. Picture a cozy, intimate space filled with the sounds of laughter and traditional bouzouki music. Imagine a table laden with a feast of mezaides, small plates of everything from tzatziki and dolmades to fresh seafood and hearty moussaka. This is the quintessential Greek taverna, a place where you can experience the heart and soul of Greek culture through its food. In stark contrast, modern Greek restaurants present a different yet equally compelling culinary landscape. Here, innovation and creativity reign supreme as chefs push the boundaries of traditional dishes, introducing new techniques and ingredients. Picture a deconstructed spanakopita, where the classic spinach and feta pie is reimagined as a crisp, flaky pastry with a light spinach mousse and tangy feta foam. Or perhaps a baklava sundae, where the familiar flavors of nuts, honey, and phyllo are transformed into a decadent dessert that's both familiar and refreshingly new. But despite their differences, both traditional tavernas and modern restaurants share a common thread, a deep respect for Greek culinary traditions. Whether you're dining in a rustic taverna on a remote island or a chic restaurant in downtown Athens, you can always find the staples of Greek cuisine: fresh vegetables, olive oil, grains, and seafood, prepared with love and skill. Both settings offer unique experiences, each with its own charm. The taverna brings you closer to the heart of Greek culture, with its warm atmosphere and hearty traditional dishes. On the other hand, the modern restaurant offers a sophisticated setting where you can explore the innovative side of Greek cuisine, where classic flavors are given a contemporary twist. So, it's not really a matter of choosing between the two. Instead, it's about embracing the diversity of Greek cuisine and appreciating how it can be both deeply traditional and excitingly innovative at the same time. Whether you prefer the cozy ambiance of a taverna or the sophisticated setting of a modern restaurant, Greek cuisine never fails to impress. From the herb-infused dishes of Crete to the seafood-centric meals of the islands and the hearty meat dishes of the mainland, Greek cuisine is as diverse as its landscape. Each region of Greece has its own unique flavors and specialties, creating a culinary tapestry as rich and varied as the country's history. Let's start with the largest island, Crete. Here, the emphasis is on herbs, grains, and olive oil. The Cretan diet is a stellar example of Mediterranean cuisine, widely recognized for its health benefits. The Cretans have a saying, "Our food is our medicine," and with their abundance of fresh vegetables, wild greens, and legumes, it's easy to see why. Now, let's set sail for the Greek islands, where the cuisine is dominated by the bounty of the sea. Octopus, squid, and a variety of fish grace the plates of locals and visitors alike, often grilled to perfection and drizzled with locally produced olive oil. The islands are also known for their unique cheeses, like the creamy, tangy feta from Lesbos and the hard, salty mizithra from Crete. Moving on to the mainland, the diet becomes more meat-centric. Here you'll find hearty stews like moussaka and pastitsio, laden with lamb or beef, and often topped with a rich bechamel sauce. And let's not forget the famous Greek souvlaki, skewers of marinated pork or chicken, grilled over an open flame for that unmistakable smoky flavor. But it's not just about the food, it's also about the produce. Greek cuisine is deeply connected to the land, from the olives harvested for oil, to the vine leaves used for dolmadakia, to the wild oregano that flavors countless dishes. The ingredients are as important as the recipes they create. So, whether you're feasting on freshly caught fish on a sun-drenched island, tucking into a lamb stew in a mountain village, or sampling the unique cheeses and wild greens of Crete, you're not just tasting Greek food, you're experiencing a culinary tradition that's been shaped by the land, the climate, and the people who call Greece home. No matter where you are in Greece, you're guaranteed a culinary adventure that's as diverse as it is delicious. Moving from restaurants to the bustling streets of Greece, we find a whole new world of flavors in Greek street food. The air is filled with the irresistible aroma of sizzling meat, fresh bread, and sweet pastries, all waiting to delight your taste buds. Let's begin with souvlaki, the king of Greek street food. These mouth-watering skewers of grilled meat are a testament to the simplicity and elegance of Greek cuisine. Seasoned with a blend of herbs and spices, the meat is grilled to perfection, then served with a side of tzatziki sauce, a creamy concoction of yogurt, cucumber, garlic, and herbs. Whether you're strolling through